Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a long Phillips screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly, the ice bean, and the instructions. This ice maker is located inside the freezer section. It makes ice cubes on demand. If the ice maker stops making ice or is leaking water, check the ice maker and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. I'm going to remove the ice bean by just sliding it out. To remove the ice maker, we need to loosen up two Phillips screws on the left side. One right there. And I'm going to loosen up this one. And now we're going to lift up and remove the ice maker. Don't just drop it because we have a plug behind it. Now I'm going to disconnect this plug. The tab, locking tab is right there at the back. And press it in. And pull it out. Now we can remove the ice maker. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're gonna start installation from the plugging in this into this outlet over there. Make sure it's locked. Tag on it, and then I'm going to turn it, and we need to place this tube into this cutout here at the back, like that, and that tube inside this cutout. And I'm going to hang the ice maker on these two screws. And I'm going to tighten the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's all the way down, and I'm going to tighten it. Alright, make sure that this arm is in the down position, because this is the off position and this is on position. And now I'm going to slide in the ice bin. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.